He called them all kinds of names, didn't he? Isn't it amazing that we can claim that racism is so bad, but blacks can just go around and just be racist to everybody, including themselves? Coon is a word that white people use to get called black folks. Who calls black folks more coon than black folks? Who says nigga to black folks more than black folks? Who says Sambo, soft shoe, and any other come down, dumbass word they come up with, buck dancing? Niggas. You look towards niggas every day. That went up a sentence.
Yes, ma'am. I almost got hit by a gold car on Old Anson Road, right next to 20. He's driving very recklessly. He jumped on the freeway here.
They said they're gonna smack her. Somebody threw oil in her face at a restaurant.
Towards the other direction, Sweetwater. License plate number BFV1452. It's got a broken. It's a Toyota Camry. It's gold. It's got a broken back window. And I was coming the opposite direction going home, and he swerved into my lane and almost hit me.
And finally, what about Clitorius or whatever her name? Brown, the so-called black chick that everybody stood up.
Yes, ma'am. It has a missing the driver's side mirror, and there's a broken back window.
The man that was trying to actually help her while the dude that was pimping her had her there. They just pardoned her.
My name is Samuel Johnson.
Who's gonna serve me? The man for calling a bunch of people niggas, or the woman for taking drugs?
We're now going on the highway that exits 20, going towards Buffalo Gap.
There are people who are taking people's lives for short sentences than the man just
Yes, ma'am. That's the direction we're going in right now.
This is justice. Let's see if anybody pardons them.
No, I was following him.
Pardon for the president to get them. This makes no sense.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
This is stupid.
Bye-bye.
Anybody in a common sense society would say there's no.
You jackass almost hit me. I guess he thought he was gonna get away from me or whatever, bitch ass nigga. No, I'm not. Fucking turn my damn Wi-Fi on. Why would you go off? Bitch ass niggas.
Yo, I'm supposed to be doing a story about something else. This ain't even what I'm supposed to be doing the news about. I'm supposed to be going live about what Daily Mail did. Banned from YouTube, much less jailed. Again, Clitorius, or whatever her name is, Brown, is about to get off after she spent a few years in jail. And she killed a man. Y'all tell me what you think. Tell me something right. Fuck you, nigga. Oh, and P.S. Remember the black guys and black girls in Chicago who kept a handicapped white boy hostage? And they did all kinds of stuff to him. They him all kinds of names. They get this kind of time. If you guys could just see the type of comments that people will leave on the video, and I'm gonna see if I can bring that up.
The couple.
See. I know that's not supposed to be there, so let me try something.
The couple convicted of terrorizing a child's birthday party is going to...
Now, there's a video in which this was done, and there's a channel in which this was done. And I just want you guys to see something. I was really bothered by it. And what I was bothered by is not what I was hearing. But I want to see if you guys are bothered by the same thing. It's by what I was reading. And I want to see if you guys can take a look at this. Or if you could. These are some of the comments that are here. You move this here, that over there. Move this down. Take a look at this comment. You will never do what again? The thing you already did. This person, people just can't spell. This is Jorge Hernandez. They're only sorry because they're, Jesus, he spelled it wrong twice. Because they're going to jail. I've not got a problem with Jesus. English language. Going to prison. It's just a length of time seems out of proportion with what was done. The sentence was obviously politically motivated, yes. So they get 28 years for being racist, yet a rapist gets only 6 for raping an unconscious girl. Question everything. Exactly. Racist, 28 years. Pedophile, 10 years. They weren't crying when they were terrorizing those people at that party. 28 years for yelling crap at people. What a joke. People who kill people get short sentences. 28 years for name grabbing. Another shit in America. Double standard much. Meanwhile, 45 walks on our road papers. Y'all are crazy. They will start closing up people for everything that they do. It's not them, it's me, whatever. I want you to know it's not me. Meanwhile, people molest children. Cost them hardly less time. Exactly. 13 years for words. Please tell me someone's appealing this for them. Thank you. Gotta love that the dude got 13 years in prison, but the chick got 6. Yep. People are saying what I'm saying. They are terrified being racist in prison. Oh boy. The 4 brats somebody said it. Get less time than these 2. Thank you. Don't do the crime if you can't do the time. But it wasn't a crime. Wow, I heard people getting less time for murder. Oh, that's weak nowadays. Sorry, but I have 0 sympathy for the crocodile tail. Fool us. 13. If you just think about all the people who were saying this is great. I'm glad there were more people. I didn't at least get a chance to see that there were more people who were saying this is messed up. Just the fact that there were people sitting up there acting like this is justice. No, it's not justice. There are people every day who get ridiculed by these same jackass liberals who claim that they really care about people, and they don't. They don't care about the people, and they don't care about the sentences. Like this was politically motivated. They don't care about stopping racism, because if you want to stop racism, you stop all racism. You start here and you don't let anybody do it. When you break up children fighting, what do you do when they're trying to tell you, he did it first? You say, y'all stop it now. Not who did it first. Everybody cut it out now. That's what we do in America if we really want to move forward. We'd say from today forward, everybody cut it out now. Anybody caught doing it, no matter what the color is, no matter what the race is, it's problematic. We're not that damn soft. The words hurt us. Especially when black folks go around calling everybody a name. How many times have you heard white bitches being called white bitches by black bitches? But it's okay. Don't be a white woman called a black woman a black bitch. You're racist. Now I'm out. You liberals and your prepackaged talking points. You know, sexism, racism, anti-Semitism, nepotism, jismism, fascismanism. All of these that are ready to use at any point in time, which makes it very difficult to debate them because they just throw a name out. Now I know that people are inside, but right now the MAGA hats and Donald Trump